Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
These are the 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time observations for the Coachella Valley area. At the Palm Springs, in the 60s to lower 70s. Saturday, sunny.
As you could tell from the previous, who knows how long the video is, SGX tested 4 times today. And yeah, I can tell that this weather radio actually activated for one of the alerts. The 911 never activated for any of them. I don't think the Midland WR300 did either. Or this one for that matter, which it never does, sadly. But I can tell that this WX67 did go off for a 6 hour. 1 hour and 37 minutes. It is 3:50 right now. So, this one got a 6 hour test. This one got a 6 hour unrecognized message. And this one got a 6 hour weekly test. Plus, it's always never 6 hours because it says 2:35 until 2:35 a.m. and that's way past 6 hours. And it's 11:29 right. It says 11:29 right now. I am too lazy to set up the clocks for all these, so never able to tell which 6 hour this one got involved in, but a whole bunch of radios actually activated this time compared to last time I recorded the test. That being either 1 or 2 weeks ago. But yeah, that's basically it. Stay tuned for more Supercell EAS content.